Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial video, we are going to be producing the isometric block on the screen. So first of all, we are going to be drawing our straight horizontal line. Make sure all the lines you are using are in thin lines. So we draw our vertical line up also. So our isometric block is going to be 30 degrees. So we draw the 30 degree. Make sure all your lines are thin lines because we are still going to be thickening them out later. So now we are picking 12 millimeter, as we can see in the diagram above. We pick 12 millimeter here. So this 12 millimeter, and from here to here, as we can see, is 70 millimeter. So on our ruler we pick 70 millimeter, and here is 45 millimeter. So pick 45 millimeter like this. So we are going to be drawing a line like this, and we'll draw like this also. Also, so what we are going to be doing next, we join here together, and we are going to be drawing this place upward like this. So as we can see, this place is 47 millimeter. So we pick our 47 millimeter here. That is going to be 4.7 centimeter. So we pick it on our like this. So from here, using our set square, we draw like this, making use of thin line this. So like this also, we're going to be constructing like this, as you can see it above. So from this place to this place, as we can see, is 12 millimeter. So we'll pick our 12 millimeter. That's 12 like this. So from here, we are going to be drawing down like this. So we'll make this one to join it. Like this. So from that 12, making use of thin lines, this we draw like this. So this place is also 45, as we can see in the diagram. So we pick our 45. So we are going to be joining our line like this. Like this. So from here, we can draw our vertical line, as we can see, like this. So now we are going to be drawing those lines, this place that come outside, and as you can see, this place is 15 and 15. So we pick our 15 from the right hand side, and also 15 millimeter from the left hand side. So those are the two things we are going to pick. So now we construct our line 30 using thin lines, please. So like this and like this for now. So from there, we are going to be drawing a straight line downward like this. Then we draw our, using our 360 like this also. So now what we are going to be doing next, as we can see in this place, they said this place is 12 centimeter, and from here to the ending of this place is 45 millimeter. So 12 minus 45, that's 45 minus 12 is going to be 33. So we are going to be picking 33 from here. That's 33 millimeter. Sorry, 33 millimeter is not up to 33. So we are going to be extending these lines. Let's just make use of our thin lines. So we are going to be extending them like this, 33 millimeter. So from there, we'll pick our set square like this. So now we are going to also be picking 15 millimeter from these points here. That's 15 millimeter from this last edge and also 15mm from here. So those are what we are going to be picking. So we are going to join this place together like this. We are also going to be joining here together like this. So now what we are going to be doing next, we are going to be joining these 2 points together, which is going to be like this. So without forgetting this part, as you can see, we'll draw using our 30-60 degree. I'm going to be drawing it like this also. So we are done with drawing the isometric block. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to be thickening out each part that are useful, and we are going to be leaving the remaining part. Depending on your instructor, you might be asked to erase it, but most of the instructors don't really ask us to erase them. We are asked to leave our construction lines, so we are going to be thickening out only the places that are needed. Those are the places we are going to be thickening out, only the needed places. So this side also is needed. If you are finding value in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. For more of our videos, you can share with your friend. You can also comment your idea on this video. So now we are done with thickening out all the points that we need. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends.